Our FFA chapter tribute is brought to you by Pioneer, developing new generations of seed innovations for new generations of farmers. Pioneer, what's next happens here. Well, at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville this past week, there were a few students playing hooky from their studies to learn about what's happening in the ag industry, and one of them is Ginna Stierwalt. She serves as the vice president for the Unity FFA chapter in Tolono, Illinois, and thanks for talking with us, Ginna.
Of course.
Fill us in on Tolono. Where is it?
So Tolono is about 20 minutes south of Champaign, Illinois, kind of in central Illinois.
How big is your FFA chapter?
It's about 65 people.
All right, and growing?
And glowing.
That's fantastic. So Jen, I understand FFA week is next week for you folks. What is the chapter planning?
So we have a couple different activities planned. We have a couple dress up days during the week, and then we're also hosting a pork chop lunch on Wednesday where the FFA members come together to serve pork chops to different members in the community.
So the whole town's invited to come out?
Whole town's invited.
Celebrate agriculture.
Yep.
Now, as you think about your career, what made you want to get interested in FFA? What made you join?
So my family's farmed my whole life, and so I grew up around all of this stuff, and I always thought it was really cool. I wanted to do it. And then we knew a couple people whenever I was little that were in FFA, and I was like, wow, that is so cool. I want to do that. So as soon as I could, I got involved.
And have you enjoyed it so far?
I have.
What's been the highlight for you?
Oh, geez, I don't know. I think probably meeting new people. I love to meet all the new people at different conventions or at CDEs, or really just different people that I've got involved with in the chapter that I probably wouldn't be friends with otherwise.
That's right. It's a great way to make connections with folks you never would have met. Well, Ginna, thank you so much for talking with us this week, and we hope you have fantastic luck in your senior year in the FFA.
Thank you.